Alright, finally I've got a package from the UK. Smarty CAM Corsa 3. So what it does data logging from your car. And just like that. Oh wait, can't actually see it. Alright, I used to have Smarty CAMs 2.2, I guess. It was the larger one, not this one. So I chose 84-degree angle lens, 4-meter harness, Canon harness, and no accessories. And so I used to use SmartCam 2.2. So I will say what has been improved or not. So CMOS, I think, was the same one. This is the biggest difference. So finally they support Full HD, where now GoPro has like use 5K, and some iPhone has 8K now, I guess. So yeah, and the most improvement is this 60 FPS. So in the circuit or any racing kind of event, like there's a lot of movement, so it's good to capture 60 FPS. So that's the most improvement part, but we want more. Come on, we want 4K at least. This display resolution doesn't really matter. Angle is the same. Same. 2 terabytes, up to 2 terabytes now of storage. You need a separate SD card now. Haven't really had issue with the reliability, so this must be right. So all power on and off. USB-C connection, that's improved one. And this is the one that is the most important for me. It was CAN ECU connection. So it's got internal microphone too. All right, let's open this up. Yeah, packages and stickers, and inside, ta-da! It looks pretty rigid, pretty cool. I was expecting a GoPro, but this is bigger than GoPro actually. So as I mentioned before, 84-degree angle lens, Full HD camera. Come on, it's 2023 now. So it's got 3 connections: ECU and microphone. I think this is external power and GPS. Well, I'm in the building now, so it doesn't really read GPS. We'll actually have to test it. But I've got Aim Solo DL, so it should not be a problem. This was the one that I really like about. It's got ECU connection with that looks more than 7 pin connectors, and inside the box there's was shitted cables. CAN cable. I actually was expecting a direct connection to the car, but I think this goes to Aim Solo DL. So anyway, external power supply and USB-C connector here. Where is it? Yep, USB-C connector. Anyway, this is just a unboxing video, so I might go to the race circuit this week. So hopefully I can test this this week, so we can see how it's like in how it operates. And then just let's open this up. really like this Aim style case. It's looks pretty good. Handle some like it can be in extreme condition. Looks like it. All right, push. It's got push. Where is it? So it's got weird indicator here. Push, and that's how you open it. Oh, did I close that? All right. I'm using one hand, so it's pretty tricky to open this thing. Oh my god. Yeah, once it get opened up, it looks like this. So it's got USB-C connector with micro. Oh, it's just an SD card slot. Not bad. And look, it's more rigid than GoPro. Anyway, this is a soundbox. So, alright, let's test this in the race circuit. Alright, thanks for watching. And if you have any question, please leave a comment. And goodbye.